our vegan channel and another edition of Dogs Drinking in the Kitchen.
Are you live in there?
Are you a grown guy?
Just said something 5 minutes ago.
Alright, so guys, look, my unemployed husband's with us today and he's going to do a recipe.
This is much better than work.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't know how you're going to feel at the end of this.
Well, we'll see what it tastes like.
I'm sure it's going to be dogs drinking in the kitchen.
Cold it.
Alright, so today we're making Greek sausages. Vegan ones.
Oh.
I've seen a similar recipe in another, actual Greek cookbook. This is the new cookbook from Gaz Oakley. It's his third cookbook called Plants Only Kitchen. So we're just going to try out one of the recipes. This came in the mail yesterday. And it's a beautiful cookbook. The photography in here is fantastic. Gaz didn't disappoint. He's got some beautiful recipes as always. And this is a much simpler, watered down version of the other recipe that I was alluding to, that an actual Greek wrote the cookbook. But he's just British.
Oh. Am I here because this is a Greek recipe?
No, I just figured you wouldn't F this one up too bad, so. I like koftas, so let's do it.
Let's
really
make
simple.
that sausage.
Exactly. And you're going to know exactly what's in the sausage. And you're not going to mind.
Do I want to know?
You do want to know.
Okay.
So this is a tofu-based recipe. So I took the liberties of unleashing my tofu and squeezing it a little bit so that we wouldn't waste time waiting for the water to come out.
You never
But
squeeze me.
Stop being weird.
So this is an extra... This is an extra firm tofu. And I'm going to put Mark to work right away. I've squeezed it. It's as dry as it can be. But, I mean, if it's not dry enough, we're going to adjust at the end and just add more flour. So, I'm putting that in the bowl. I don't have a potato masher like they recommend in the... Actually, that is a great idea. That will probably work pretty well.
See?
Wow, your instincts in the kitchen. Unreal.
Yes. Smash it
Cat-like.
up.
Yeah, smash it up. It says...
Didn't work.
do
There
the
you
best
go.
you can. It says until it's broken up into small pieces. And then after... Oh, wow, you made quick work of that, didn't you?
Wow.
Telling you, I'm a natural.
Well, while you're doing that, I am going to very quickly chop up the... Sorry. I'm going to very quickly chop up the scallions that you just got out of the garden. And these are beautiful. Look at these. Look over here. All right.
Oh,
So
it smells so good.
they do smell
they do.
really good. All right. So we're just going to... Very small. We're all working.
Hello. Hi, Shandi.
Hi, Maddie.
Now, how small do you want the crumbles
It
here?
said small pieces.
Okay.
So I'm thinking...
You really got a lot in there.
There's
Yeah,
really
you gotta
stuff.
get that out of there.
I know I do.
Oh, the whiskey's coming apart.
Is it? Oh!
Maybe grab a fork or something.
All right,
and
relax. Relax. Everybody just relax.
Daddy's got it under control. I don't have good knife skills, so I'm sorry.
Look
to
away.
Everyone. Don't do what I do. Just chop it up.
I wonder if this is like permanently messed
No,
up
it's
now.
not. It's fine.
Are you having fun yet?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so this is really simple because I just read ahead. And it says just put the rest of the ingredients in.
Cool.
Yeah. Right?
Thanks, Gaz.
Yeah. Oh, you remembered his name. Good. I think that looks pretty good. If you can just get that out of there. All right, so now we're going to put the rest of the ingredients in. I think Mark did a fine job of
Looks good.
mashing that
How
up.
do you do anything without me?
I don't know. I'm starting to question my whole existence here. So why don't you put the scallions in? And then he uses fresh garlic, but I don't have fresh garlic, and I'm not a big fan of fresh garlic, so I'm just going to put in some granulated garlic. So this is exactly 3 cloves worth. I will put the ingredients in the bottom bar in the info box that I used because my recipe is different because I'm changing his recipe, so
This is Dad's recipe.
this is Dad's recipe. Alright, so he also uses one small red chili. Don't have it, so I'm just going to put in the little bitest of harissa.
The little bitest.
Yes, the little bitest.
Please.
Like that much.
We didn't see that.
It was a quarter of a teaspoon
Too much.
of harissa. This stuff is very potent,
Yes.
especially for a lightweight like this one over here.
Like it.
He puts in mint. Not into it. Alright, we're going to do...
Sorry, guess.
We're going to do a teaspoon of cumin. Or cumin. How do you even say these things? How do you say that? How do you say... What's that other one? Turmeric?
Grocery.
Grocery?
No.
I know that's grocery. People shouldn't be allowed to shop if they say grocery.
All right, put it in. There we go.
Alright, teaspoon of
And God'll take.
cumin. I don't have smoked paprika, so I'm going to use... Just put in like a few drops of the liquid smoke. And a teaspoon of paprika. That was not a few drops.
Oh, just stop. It was.
It's too much. It's going to taste like a dirty hot dog now.
You love it.
Do I?
Yes, you do.
Oh. Alright, so now we're going to put in a tablespoon of tomato paste.
I've never seen it in the tube like that.
You know why I like it in the tube?
No.
Because I don't want to open up a whole freaking can of tomato paste and then have it get mold in it on the refrigerator because I'm never going to use it again. This one is great because I could just squeeze out what I need and then it's contained.
I know. It's contained, but it will go bad over time. You have to use it.
I know. Look, it's like hair dye. You have to
You've
pop
broken the
top.
seal now.
Yes. So why don't you...
Time is ticking away. The seal is broken.
Alright. Plop it.
Plopped.
Look at those colors.
I know. Isn't it beautiful? You can start mixing that, by the way.
Thank you.
You never said that.
Yeah.
We're going to also put in some salt. And then the final ingredient that goes in there is flour, which we're also going to put in. So this is a teaspoon of salt.
It smells good.
It does smell really good. And let's get the flour in there. 4 tablespoons. Which is AKA 1/4 cup.
That what you call.
Yes, that what you know as 1/4 cup. Yeah. This is going to be a few minutes, so.
We'll come back.
Now it's time to shape the wieners.
Or cigars.
Or koftas.
Yeah, what they're supposed to be.
Well, okay. So I guess like that size. I made one just to check the mixture to see if it was the right texture. And it was, whoops, it was exactly right.
Of course it was. I made it.
Are you trying to say that my dishes are hit or miss?
No. Try.
You're not trying? You okay. These are pretty nice to shape, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is going to be good. So will you finish making the wieners? I will heat up the pan with a little bit of I will heat up the pan with a little bit of olive oil in it because
You're also going to set the oven, right?
I already
Preheat.
preheated it to 350 because we're going to be cooking this in the pan just to brown it, and then we're going to finish it up in the oven for 15 minutes. Are we like American Gothic or what?
I need a
For the
pitchfork.
2020s. All right, so Mark did a fine job with these little wieners. So these are the pan is ready, honey.
It is ready.
All right, so we're ready to plop these wieners. Oh yeah, perfect sizzle. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna brown these off a little bit for a few minutes, and then, like I said, 350 for 15 minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. These are pretty quick
Yes.
and pretty easy, right?
I'm waiting to try these. They look very good.
They do look really good. Oh! Alright, so I was skeptical when Gaz said this was only going to be like 3 minutes on each side, but they browned up really quickly
Looking
and really
good.
nicely.
Looking good, smelling even better.
Yeah. So these are going in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes, and then we're going to take them out. You don't even have to drain it, really. I mean, we only used a very little bit of oil in the pan, so.
What do you think, Dad?
You know, a little vegan cheese on there.
Oh, you think?
Some vegan goat cheese.
Oh, some feta.
Yes,
That which you know is feta.
that's right.
All right,
Would
let's
be
pop these in the
delish.
oven. Mmm.
We had that before, didn't we?
Yeah, of course. All right, here we go. Look what I served up for you,
Oh, they
Greeky.
look good.
Ooh.
Or a little tzatziki sauce would be good as well.
Oh yeah.
Oh, but how about a little bit of my vegan ranch?
Yes.
Go
That's
get
pretty
it.
good. I'll run over and
Alright.
get it.
Well, try it
Yeah,
without
try it
first.
without it first. And it's really hot.
I
so
know.
Make sure you blow on it.
Ooh.
Held together pretty good.
You're going to try it straight first.
Mhm.
All right.
Good.
Yeah? You like it?
Mhm.
Now dip it, boy.
What's the texture like? Does it feel chunky or?
No, it's kind of mushy.
I think this is one of those ones that the longer it sits in the fridge and like you reheat it, the better it'll get.
Well, that's probably gonna flake apart.
That's all right.
Oh boy.
Fish it out.
Too bad we don't have any pitas or something.
I know. It's good with the sauce.
Mhm.
This makes everything better. You could put this on a turd and it would be good.
Ew.
That's how good it is.
No, I'm not doing that.
Oh, you're not gonna put it on a turd?
No.
All right. Well, why don't you take a taste?
Mmm.
Oh, Dad. On your nice Sasquatch and Loch Ness shirt.
Well, it missed the
Yeah.
guys.
Ugh.
It would definitely be delicious on a pita with some red onion and
Yes.
tomato.
Yes, please.
Yay!
Would you make it again?
Yay!
Yeah.
Ooh, he got a would you make it again? Yeah.
Nice.
Well, you're gonna be at home, so
Mm-hmm.
that would
Yeah.
be a nice treat if you could make that one.
Sure. A little salty. I think you put a little too much.
Okay, well we cut down on the salt. All right, you can
Excuse
clean
me.
yourself up later.
Yeah, come on.
No. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready for your close up?
Mm.
Thanks for joining us today in the kitchen. Lovebirds in the kitchen.
Is that what we are?
We're not.
Lovebirds? Birds poop all over the place.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more. Let us know if you want to see more Mark in the kitchen. And until next time, much love.